Setting up your ELE data system unit. Connect the DSU for the test. Connect the power cable. Connect the first frame. You can either connect directly to a printer or into your PC network via Ethernet. For a multiplex, use the frame S port. Connect the load transducer to sensor port 1. Connect the displacement transducer to sensor port 2. Connect the second frame to frame port 2. You can use the frame splitter if you are performing 2 tests simultaneously. Connect the second frame to the corresponding ports. Ensure the frame is connected to the DSU. Changing the mode in DSU. Your DSU will arrive in DS mode. Ensure the DSU settings are correct. Check the date and time. You can also change the readout units. Before starting a test, the sensors need to be calibrated. Use the certificate provided with the transducer to enter the required fields. Using the View button, you can check the sensor is correct. Before starting the test, you need to set the DSU to the test that you are performing. Here you can change the standard to ASTM or BS. Now you are ready to perform the test. You can start the test from the frame or your PC. The program on your PC shows key variables to your test and displays them on a graph. On completion, you can view figures from key points of the test.